If you use music in your school year assemblies, why not use the DFE Model Music Curriculum? Here's a Word document from AssemblyTube. The red button takes you to the videos. If you look in the right hand corner, you can see a hamburger. Click on that and you can choose one from many videos which are linked to each year group. Click on the video and it will play. You'll be able to hear it on your computer. You can pause it, you can stop it. Go back to the hamburger symbol, choose a different video. There are lots to choose from. When you've finished playing your video, go back to the Word document, and in the right hand column there's a notes area where you can record which class you used the video with, so you have a record for the future. Happy assemblies!